Hey, what's going on, tech family? Welcome back to the channel. If you are building a new budget PC, upgrading an older office desktop, or maybe setting up a home theater system, you would probably noticed one massive problem. Graphics cards can be ridiculously expensive. But what if you don't need to spend $500 or $1,000? What if you just want a reliable GPU that can handle 4K displays, smooth out your daily workflow, and even tackle some light gaming without breaking the bank? Well, today, we're taking a deep dive into exactly that. Enter the ZER-LON Radeon RX 550 4GB graphics card. This little card has been making waves as a fantastic, cost-effective solution for desktop users. In this video, we are going to break down its specs, talk about its real-world performance, discuss who this card is actually for, and ultimately help you decide if it deserves a spot in your PC case. If you want to check the current pricing or pick one up for yourself during the video, I've left a direct link down in the description below. Clicking that link helps support the channel, and I really appreciate it. Now, let's get into the review. First things first, let's talk about the design and the form factor. The ZER-LON Radeon RX 550 is a masterclass in compact efficiency. When you pull this out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is its size. It features a sleek, single-fan design. For a lot of modern PC builders, massive triple-fan GPUs have become the norm, but they simply don't fit into every case. This card is perfectly designed for standard and even some smaller form factor desktops. Because it only utilizes a single fan for cooling, it takes up minimal space. But don't let the size fool you. The cooling solution is more than adequate. The AMD Radeon RX 550 graphics coprocessor is incredibly power efficient, meaning it doesn't generate a massive amount of heat. That single fan runs quietly, keeping your system cool without sounding like a jet engine taking off in your living room or home office. Taking a look at the bottom, we have the PCI Express 3.0 X8 interface. It is fully compatible with almost any desktop motherboard made in the last decade. Whether you're slotting this into a brand new budget build or reviving an older Intel Core or AMD Ryzen system, installation is virtually plug and play. Alright, let's get a little nerdy and talk about the specifications, because this is where the ZER-LON RX 550 really proves its value. At the heart of this video card is the AMD Radeon RX 550 architecture. It features a core clock speed of 1,183 MHz. Now, what does that mean for you? It means the card is fast and responsive enough to handle high-definition video rendering, smooth web browsing with hardware acceleration, and seamless multitasking. Memory-wise, this specific model comes packed with 4 GB of GDDR5 RAM on a 128-bit bus. Now, I know some spec sheets out there might boast up to 8 GB of system-shared memory depending on your setup, but the dedicated 4 GB of GDDR5 is the real star here. Having dedicated VRAM means your computer doesn't have to steal memory from your main system RAM just to draw images on your screen. Furthermore, the memory clock speed hits a blistering 7,000 MHz. Why is GDDR5 still relevant? Because it offers high bandwidth. That 128-bit interface combined with the 7,000 MHz memory speed ensures that data moves quickly between the GPU and the memory. This prevents bottlenecking when you are loading high-resolution textures in light games or scrubbing through a video timeline in basic editing software. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest reasons people buy this card: connectivity and display support. If you are setting up a multi-monitor workstation, the ZER-LON RX 550 is an absolute dream. On the back of the card, you are getting 3 distinct video output interfaces. We have a classic DVI port, a DisplayPort, and an HDMI port. This trifecta of ports is incredibly versatile. Have an older monitor you still want to use? Plug it into the DVI. Have a brand new high refresh rate monitor or a 4K TV? Use the DisplayPort or HDMI. You can easily run a dual or even triple monitor setup right out of the box, drastically improving your productivity. And speaking of high resolution, this card supports a maximum display resolution of 4096 by 2160 pixels. Yes, that is true 4K support. If you were building a home theater PC, an HTPC, to sit in your living room, this GPU will output crystal clear 4K video to your big screen TV. You can stream Netflix, YouTube, or your own media library in stunning, ultra-high definition without any stuttering. It handles 4K video decoding flawlessly, taking the heavy lifting off your processor. So, we know it's great for home offices and home theaters, but what about gaming? I know a lot of you are wondering, can I game on the ZER-LON Radeon RX 550? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But we need to set the right expectations. This is not a card designed to play Cyberpunk 2077 at 4K on ultra settings. If that's what you are looking for, you will need to spend significantly more money. However, if you are an esports gamer or you enjoy older, well-optimized titles, this card is a little beast. In games like League of Legends, Valorant, Counter-Strike, and Minecraft, the RX 550 4GB handles 1080p gaming like a champion. You can easily achieve 60+ frames per second on medium to high settings in these competitive titles. The 4 GB of GDDR5 memory is more than enough to load the textures for these games smoothly. It's also a fantastic card for emulation. If you love playing classic console games on your PC, this GPU will upscale those old games beautifully. For a budget-conscious gamer, maybe a parent building a starter PC for their kid, or a casual gamer who doesn't need top-tier graphics, this card provides a fun, smooth, and highly playable experience without draining your wallet. So, let's wrap this up. Who is the ZER-LON Radeon RX 550 4GB graphics card actually for? It is for the smart buyer. It is for the person upgrading a pre-built Dell or HP desktop that needs a graphics boost. It is for the professional who needs to run 3 monitors to watch the stock market or manage spreadsheets. It is for the home theater enthusiast who wants flawless 4K video playback. And it's for the budget gamer who loves esports titles and wants reliable performance. With its 1183 MHz core clock, fast GDDR5 memory, versatile HDMI, DisplayPort, and DVI outputs, and its quiet single-fan design, it offers tremendous value. You get the reliability of the AMD Radeon ecosystem packed into an incredibly affordable piece of hardware. If you are ready to upgrade your display experience, click the link in the description below to check the latest price and grab yours on Amazon today. It's one of the easiest and most cost-effective upgrades you can make to your desktop PC. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and PC building guides, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the ZER-LON RX 550, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.